In this video, I'll show you how to install a winter snow mod in GTA 4. Check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and check the download option. Scroll down and select start download and it started downloading. And check my video description for this enhanced snow mod. Select the download now option. You just need to wait and it will start download. After download done, check this folder icon. Extract both the folder. Open the enhanced snow mod. Again, open it and copy to game folder. Open this folder. Open this GTA 4. Minimize this. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before drag and drop the files, go back to the GTA 4 folder. Back up your GTA 4 game like this. Paste it in the same location. After backupping GTA 4, open the GTA 4 folder. Just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And then go back. Open this OpenIV, GTA 4 PC audio SFX resistant.rpf resistant. Now you need to open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have the OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for the install tutorial. Follow the video steps and install the OpenIV. Once you install done, open the PC audio SFX. Find resistant RPF. Just double click on it. Just close. Open the resistant and select the edit mode. Select yes. Now you just need to drag and drop the mod files inside. And once you're done, just go back. Open the recommended and open the snowfall mod. Open this version. Copy to game folder. GTA 4. Now minimize this and just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And then once this done, go back to downloads. Open this realistic winter tree. Again, open the folder and double click on PC, data, maps, props, and vegetation. And open the GTA 4 game folder, same location you need to go. PC, data, maps, props, vegetation, and just drag and drop these mod file inside here. Replace the file in the destination and just close stuff here, and now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, as you can see, the winter mod works perfectly fine, and we took the GTA 4 backup. You can play the ordinary game if you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.